Hey, what's up you guys? Just before we start this video, please join my new server called Disobeyed, and the link will be in the description or right on the screen now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, what's up you guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to log into a bot, because my last video hit 100 views and I'm really happy about that. So yeah, how to log into a bot. Well, first search up Discord Developer Portals, and then click on the first link that pops up and then click on Applications. And then if you haven't watched my last video on how to make a bot, then click on your application, name your bot, and then you have your bot, and go to bot, build a bot. Yes, do it. And then click to reveal token. Do not do that, just click on copy. Okay, now that you have that out of the way, click on the link in the description to download the software and how to log into a bot. It's exactly like Discord, but when you have this opened up, make sure to scroll down and then click on discord.bot.client.setup and all that stuff. Click on that, and then I already have it up right here, but you guys can download it. I'm going to click cancel, and once you got that out of the way, you can see that something named Discord Bot Client is in your desktop. So click on it, make it full screen, and then paste your token here. Okay, I'll be right back when I paste it in. Okay guys, I just pasted it in and I'm on the bot account right now. I can put it on Do Not Disturb and all that stuff. Let me just create a server. Don't need that. As you can see, a verified bot. Like, yeah, it has the verified bot tag. Like, seriously, look, I can do this and all that stuff. And yeah, that's basically how you log into a bot. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!